Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down, see here we have the MySQL community downloads, click on it, then click on MySQL community server, then see here we have the versions from 8.0.43. So select it, then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select the version. See here we have the 24, 22, 20. So I am on Ubuntu 24.04. If you are on Ubuntu 22.04, you have to select this version. Okay, select the version. Once you selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. It is tar file. Once download completes, we will untar this tar file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to download, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.43 tar file. We have to untar tar-xf and then give MySQL, then press tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install -ipadig-utf-8. Then libaio-dev. Hit enter. This type of, yeah, it is correct. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. I will keep this command in the video description. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Control L. Now install these packages. Okay, sudo dpkg-i, then start.deb. What this command will do, this command will install whatever the packages are there in this downloads directory. So keep only downloaded files. Okay, enter. See, we are installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Use tab, and see here we have default authentication plugins, two methods, strong password and use legacy authentication. Okay, whatever you want you can select. So I am going with legacy, then select the above one is the recommended. Okay, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.43. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for this root account. Password wrong. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.43. We can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Control A. Now if a list of databases, show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify. See, new database bank is created. Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify table, show tables. We don't have any tables. See, it is empty set. Let us create a table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now verify list of users, show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. We have to give password in singular double quotes. Now verify the users. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the MySQL server. Now connect with this new user. MySQL-u David-p. -p. Then provide the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully logged in. Let us verify the same. Select current_user. See, we have logged in to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So to access this database, we have to grant the privileges on this database. Okay. Now we'll see how to stop, start, and restart MySQL server on Ubuntu 24.04. So Control A, sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify the same. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay. See here, it is inactive or dead. Okay. So Control A. We can also verify the same by running MySQL-u root-p. See, connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the same. See, MySQL service is started. Due to it, Control A. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. We have successfully restarted. Okay, ls. So we have successfully installed MySQL server. So these files are not required anymore. So remove them to clear the space. Sudo rm star.deb. Hit enter. ls. We have one more file. Remove it also. rm mysql. Then press the tab to autofill enter tar file. Hit enter. ls. So, okay, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.